Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mechanic 757. You know how I get down. If you have a Volkswagen, this is a 2014. If you're going to work on the spark plugs, the wiring is a little different than you're used to. All you have to do when you come to the coils, take your finger and push that back. So I'm going to lock it in. Now I'm going to unlock it. I'm just going to push backwards. And all I did is I push this backwards. I'm going to do it again. I push it back. It takes a little click noise. Push it back a little bit more. You heard that click noise? And now it'll come back. It'll come out. You see it? Take your finger right here. Push back until you hear a click. And this will come right off. Some people are very confused of how in the world do you get those off. You do not want to break those in any shape, form, or way. This is just a mechanic tip. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This is a 2.4 Volkswagen TSI.